Okay, so bar charts are a good way to represent the means. Again, SPSS generates these bar graphs, but ultimately you're going to do this in Excel because you can change some things up and you can add a lot of the features that SPSS does when you use Excel. So in this example that you see here, you've got one independent variable, and remember that the independent variable is the variable that's going to affect the dependent variable. So the dependent variable depends on the independent. So in this case, our dependent variable is your psychological arousal during a film, and our independent variable is whether they watch The Notebook or a documentary about notebooks. All right, and so they are measuring that. So here's my independent variable is the name of the film, and my dependent variable is your psychological arousal during that film. Just when you have one independent variable, and you can graph this using the chart builder. If we go down to where you have two independent variables, so here we've still got name of the film is one independent variable, and the second independent variable is going to be gender, male or female. And then you've got, again, your dependent variable here. So this is another way where you can cluster those bars together. This is a little bit more challenging when you do it in Excel. You just got to figure out. I can never remember, to be honest. Sometimes I have to graph it and it's like, that's not what I want it to look like, and I have to regraph it. So SPSS somewhat does it better here, but you have to follow APA format, and that's very difficult to do in SPSS. All of that to say, you can chart bar graphs with one independent variable, two independent variables, three independent variables, and you can generate a graph that is illustrative of hopefully the data you're going to see. So there's obviously a difference here between males and females, whether they watch the movie, or there's not much difference between males and females whether they watch a documentary. So again, what is my chart telling me? What am I trying to get? What information am I trying to display and convey to the audience?